Let's explore team collaboration in system design. We will discuss working with teams on large system designs. Team collaboration is very important. Diverse perspectives lead to more robust system designs, resulting in better solutions. Parallel work streams accelerate development cycles, leading to faster delivery. Let's look at the key team roles. The system architect defines overall system structure and technical vision. The technical lead guides implementation and ensures code quality. The product owner represents business requirements and user needs. Now, let's explore some effective communication strategies. One is regular synchronization, which includes daily stand-ups, weekly architecture reviews, and sprint planning sessions. Another strategy is documentation, which includes architecture decision records, application programming interface specifications, and design diagrams. Let's discuss the collaborative design process. First, brainstorm, generate ideas together through collaborative sessions. Then design, create detailed system architecture and specifications. Finally, review, validate designs through team feedback and iteration. Let's explore some helpful tools and technologies. For diagramming, consider Miro, Figma, Lucidchart, or Draw.io. For collaboration, consider Slack, Teams, Confluence, Jira, or Notion. Let's discuss some best practices. Establish clear communication channels. Define when to use asynchronous versus synchronous communication for different types of decisions. Create shared ownership, and ensure every team member understands their role and accountability in the system. Thank you. Let's build amazing systems together. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.